Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the glow text effect. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I will use here is the CapCut, and here I am accessing it in the Android phone. And don't worry, because this CapCut also very accessible into your PC, tab, or even the iOS phone. And after that, I will start to open it by clicking this new video to create the new project. And after that, I will go to the library to choose the simple background. And for example, I will choose this black screen or black picture. And after this black picture being uploaded into this project, then you can start to, let's say, do anything here. For example, I will remove this ending. And after that, I will start to type the text. For example, new text, for example, like that. And after that, you can also start to select the font. Which one do you prefer? For example, I would like to choose the simple one, the sequel, like this. And I will also adjust the size. And after that, you can start to save this. If you would like to save this into the free version, so you can start to choose to inactivate this Ultra HD toggle like this. And after that, I will keep it the resolution, frame rate, and bit rate into this scale. And I will continue to click export and kindly wait for the saving or the exporting process. After those text has been exported, so I will go back to this home page of this CapCut. And after that, I will click the new video that we have just made, this one, and click add. And after that, you can start to put the effect or the glowing effect for this text. Why we need to export it first? Because by exporting it, we made that this new text can be the object that will have the glowing effect. So you can start to click this effect and click this video effect, and kindly wait until the effect will be provided. And I will choose the light category over here, and after that you can choose this glow too, for example. So as you can see that this text now has the glowing effect like this. So that's all guys, I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining. And if you would like to add the motion for the previous text, so you can also start to go back to the previous project, for example like this. And you can add the motion or the animation for this text. It is very okay. For example, you can choose this one. And after that, you can start to export it again. And after that, you can start to open the new project, or you can actually simply replace this text or this project. And I will upload it over here. or from this section. So as you can see that the tag has been transformed into the video. So how to create it into the glowing text? So I will start to click effect over here and click video effect, and in the category light you can start to put this glow too, and you can play it with this effect, and there you have it, the glowing effect text. So that's all guys, so you can try these tips too, and you can also let us know if this tip and trick and tutorial also work for you. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.